Hey everyone, you've probably tried to fit a big table or a wide chart into Google Docs, and it just doesn't fit. The text looks squished and everything feels off. So let's fix that. Here's how to switch your document to landscape mode in a clean, simple way, and when it actually makes sense to do it. First, open your document. Go to File, Page Setup. In this window, you'll see the Orientation section. Two options, Portrait and Landscape. Select Landscape. Tip, if you want all your future docs to open this way, hit Set as default before closing the window. Saves time, trust me. Speaking of margins, you can also tweak them here. Wider margins make the layout breathe more. Narrower ones let you fit more content per line. I usually go with 1.5 centimeters on all sides, a nice balance for landscape layouts. Then click OK, and that's it, your page instantly turns horizontal. One note, after you switch, check your layout. Tables and images might stretch or misalign, so it's worth adjusting margins or resizing columns right away. Okay, what if you're on mobile? In the Google Docs app, open your document, tap the three dots in the top right corner, choose Page Setup, Orientation, Landscape. Done. But here's the catch. On a phone screen, landscape mode doesn't always look great. You'll be zooming in and out a lot, so unless you're editing something wide like a chart or a planner, keep it portrait on mobile. Now the question I always get, can you make just one page landscape while the rest stay portrait? The short answer, no. Google Docs still doesn't support mixed orientation inside the same file. There are workarounds. You can split the document, export each part as PDF, then merge them back together. But that's a hack, not a real feature. If you often need both layouts, consider switching to Google Slides or even Canva Docs. They're more flexible with custom sizes. That's all for today. Simple, clean, and straight to the point. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, check out my Etsy store, be.design, for professional-looking Google Docs and Word templates, crafted for people who care about design. Link in the description.